This is my number one ChatGPT tip. Always start with a question to get a great result. This is the way that I start when I want something, but I'm not too sure exactly on all of the aspects of it that I might need to cover. So this is great if you're diving into something new that you're not quite sure on. So in this case, if I was to ask you to generate 5 ad campaign ideas for X product, what is all the information you'd need from me to produce a great result? In that case, let's have a look at this, type that in, and you'll see the really different result that it gives you. So yeah, it's bringing up things like budget, is there any seasonal implications? What's your USP? So then what you do is you literally just go through and answer each of those questions. So target audience, anyone between these ages, location, USP, budget, duration, platforms, in this case, Instagram and TikTok, things that you've found work well. I said UGC worked well. And now what you're gonna find is that you're gonna get stuff so much more tailored to what you actually need.